Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all a new wash and go combo that I tried on my hair. I did have this request from a subscriber, so I am super excited to try these Mielle Organics products out today. I am starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair, and as I was rinsing out the conditioner, I went ahead and separated my hair into these two large sections. I am going to be working in medium sections, and first I am using this twisting souffle by Mielle Organics. I'm using this very thick and creamy product as a moisturizer because my hair really loves thicker products. I am going to work that product in my hair very deliberately because I do have low porosity hair, and sometimes it takes a lot for my hair to open up its cuticles to accept moisture. As I see that I am struggling a little bit, I will add a little bit more water to make that product go a longer way. When doing wash and goes, I try to be mindful of how much product I am using because that can also cause unnecessary flaking. Doing your wash and goes, you want your moisturizing product to do most of the defining for you. This limits how much gel you have to add on top to add that super hold definition. I am going right on top with the Curl Custard. This is a very lightweight consistency, and it almost reminds me of more of like a jelly consistency and texture. I am smoothing that in right on top, and I am using this to really define my curls and to set them in place. I felt that I still had frizzes in the back, so I am going back over those sections trying to smooth those frizzes away. The hair at the nape of my head and in the back is a much looser texture and curl pattern than the rest of the hair that is on my head. So whenever I am testing out products, if my curls are not super defined at the back, I'm always curious as to what is going to happen as I move further up in my head, which is why I am testing out this section here by adding the cream as well as the curl custard. So after much raking and smoothing, I still felt like I had a little bit of frizz, and I did not feel that my curls were super frozen into place. So I'm going to use this Stronghold Gel by Jozi Curls. I recently did a whole entire campaign on my Instagram channel with this product. So if you want to see me use all of their products to style my hair for a wash and go style, please follow me on Instagram, and I have posted a reel showing and detailing all of these products by Jozi Curls. But I am going to add that gel on top because this gel will literally freeze the curls in place to the point where you will have stronghold definition for the entire week, withstanding all of the stretching and bending that you can do on a nightly basis. And as you all can see here, the curls in the back are already looking more defined, more shiny, and just more frozen into place. I couldn't leave without showing you all how these products work on the front sections of my hair, which most of you all know that most of my kinky curly hair is in the crown of my head and in the front as well. So I just wanted to show you all how these products smooth on my kinkier texture hair. Once I am finished defining all of my curls, I do like to take my t-shirt or microfiber towel to go over my roots because those can flake too. And when they have excessive products, I feel like it becomes the most flakiest and the most annoying. So after that, I am going to sit up under my hooded dryer for around 45 minutes. And typically this is able to get my hair to be mostly dry. Overall, I am super satisfied with the definition, of course, and I didn't see any flakings. I always do a scalp check. And I always like to shake to see how my hair wants to fall for today. I don't think this combo makes the top spot for my favorite wash and go combo of all time, but I'm not opposed to trying it again. I will go ahead and stretch my hair with my stretching routine. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!